Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today's hairstyle is for the beautiful matured women. So if you're above 50, this haircut today is for you. I have this hairstyle that will take many years of your age. This style is a versatile haircut for beautiful matured women. Just take a good look on this beautiful short tapper. It's lovely. You can see, having the two sides shaved and the back, and having some hair on top. What the coils, and this coils is achieved by using your sponge brush, to roll your hair until you get the desired coils. And you can see how cool coils really makes the edges look so sexy. This is indeed a versatile short hairstyles for beautiful matured women. So it's a new week, and you're looking for a style. Maybe you have a birthday coming forward, or maybe you have an occasion that you really need to attend and you really want to look gorgeous. This haircut today will give you inspirational ideas on the styles you want. So for those that want to use some color highlights, also there are some beautiful matured colors you can also consider to try, depending on your hair texture. But I won't recommend any color highlight for those that have thin hair, because most times, when we age, sometimes our hair becomes thin. So if you have the thick healthy hair, you can opt for those beautiful colors. You can go for the blonde, you can go for the platinum, you can go for the axe blood, copper, many different colors to try on your hair just to look different, or maybe try to to make things different from the way it is. So I would like you guys to just watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds in the comment section below, because today's video, you're not going to regret watching this video. You're going to see different haircut ideas for beautiful matured women. So this hairstyle is featuring both the twirl, the tapper, the pixies, the boys called. There were so many styles here for you guys to pick from. Your first time, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I appreciate you watching me right now. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next